Good afternoon, everyone. Our internship coordinator, faculty, and most especially our parents and my fellow interns. Good afternoon. To be honest, I didn't really know how to start this speech. When I first tried to write it, I sat there staring at the blank page for hours. Not because I had nothing to say, but because there were many things I wanted to say. Too many moments, too many feelings, and too many lessons that changed us in ways we didn't expect. And I wasn't sure how to capture it, all of that in just a few minutes. But I realized that maybe the best way to begin is with honesty. So today, I stand here on behalf of all the interns who had the privilege of working with children with special needs. And I call it a privilege because that is exactly what it became for us. Many of us walk into our internship with mixed emotions. Some were nervous, some unsure, and some, like me, weren't even fond of kids at first. We told ourselves to stay professional, to avoid getting too attached, to keep a little bit of distance. But day by day, these children proved us wrong, in the best and most beautiful way. I'm sorry. They showed us that connection isn't something you control. It happens in the smallest moments. A shared smile, a tiny achievement, a breakthrough you didn't expect. And before we knew it, we were just interns. Sorry guys. We were not just their ates and kuyas, or teachers. We are part of their world. We learned that having these special needs is not a limitation. It's a different rhythm, a different perspective, a different kind of brilliance. These kids are more than their diagnosis. They're funny, they're kind, they're curious, and incredibly strong. And without even trying, they taught us more than any textbook ever could. They taught us patience. They taught us sincerity. They taught us that progress isn't always loud. Sometimes it's one word, one gesture, one moment of trust. And honestly, I also learned something about myself. I realized that if these kids can show up every single day and try, despite their challenges, despite the world not always understanding them, then why can't we? Their courage become mine and our inspiration. We came in with cold hearts and professional boundaries, but we walked in with warmth we didn't expect. But a family we didn't know when came. The center become our home. The teachers become our guides and our friends. And the children, they become pieces of our hearts. One of my favorite quotes says, "Sometimes the smallest people take up the most space in your heart." And standing here today, that has never felt more true. To our mentors and supervisors, thank you for your patience, your guidance, and for showing us what it truly means to believe in a child's potential. To my co-interns, thank you for the teamwork, the honesty, the laughter, and the stories. We carried each other throughout the tough days and celebrated small victories together. I am proud of each intern of giving their best to find meaning, joy, and purpose of their time spent in special education setting. And to the children we work with, thank you for letting us in, for trusting us, for allowing us to be part of your growth. You have changed us more than you will ever know. And as we receive our pins today, may we carry this experience wherever we go. Because this internship was not just a requirement, It was a reminder that psychology is not just a field of study, but a field of heart. And sometimes, the lives we set out to help end up helping us too. Thank you and congratulations to all of us.